In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about turning your long-form footage into short, ready-to-post clips using professional AI tools. We will cover importing your recordings, letting the artificial intelligence pick the best moments, polishing captions, and eventually scheduling those clips out automatically using an integrated content calendar. First, start by importing your long interview or live stream into a new project, which is as simple as dragging and dropping your video file directly into the media bin. As soon as you add that clip, the system will prompt you to decide if you want to automatically generate clips based on highlights, which will process the file and start pulling out potential viral moments. If you are on a plan with limited processing minutes, I highly recommend keeping the setting enabled that asks for confirmation before any heavy processing runs, especially for team projects where you want a second pair of eyes. Once you hit start, the AI runs through your video and surfaces a timeline of suggested clips that are based on spikes in audio energy, audience reactions, and repeated phrases that historically predict high engagement. The real magic is that you can either trust the AI completely to export a bunch of ready-to-post clips in one single click, or you can step in manually to fine-tune the timing and framing. One thing creators often ask about is speaker recognition, which automatically detects different people in your video and labels segments by who is talking, making it incredibly handy for interviews or roundtables. If the AI mislabels someone, you can easily edit the speaker name in line. And since these labels are project-wide, labeling them once means the system will offer those same names for future episodes to keep your color coding consistent. You can also drag the speaker label bar to change which lines are attributed to whom, or use the quick shortcut in the editor to swap speakers on a single line without affecting the entire rest of the transcript. Editing the generated captions is just as straightforward, as you can click any timestamp or caption bubble to instantly make changes using an inline correction mode. If you want to do a larger rewrite to make a caption punchier for social media, simply flip into the free edit mode, and the system will automatically resync your new text to the clip as best it can. Another vital feature is the filler word and silence detection, which highlights ums, ahs, and long pauses so you can bulk remove them or go one by one to ensure your take sounds completely natural. Pro tip: don't blindly remove every single filler word, because sometimes a short pause or a natural verbal tick helps preserve the cadence and timing of your punchline. If you work with recurring phrases, brand names, or niche terms that the AI keeps mangling, you can add a custom vocabulary list for your entire account, so future generations respect your specific spelling. For those times when you want to use a transcript you already generated in another tool, you can simply paste that plain text into the import window and let the system sync it to your footage. Once pasted, the platform runs a sync pass that aligns your text to the audio timeline. And if the speaker labels match names already in your project, it will instantly adopt them to keep your workflow tidy. For creators who truly hate repetitive edits, the batch actions are a total lifesaver, allowing you to bulk approve a set of suggested clips or even bulk edit titles using a consistent templating system. While the platform does the heavy lifting for you, sometimes you might want a human polish, in which case you can opt for a white glove service where a professional editor will proof the clips and make captions word perfect. The real reason this platform shines is that it is not just an editor, but an entire system designed to extract dozens of post-ready clips and schedule them across your social platforms without you ever needing to leave the app. Once you approve your clips, you can set a posting cadence in the Auto Schedule module, where you define how often you want to post and pick your platforms to fill up your content calendar for the next few months. If you want a deep dive into any one part of this process, like how to best write social hooks that the AI will surface, just drop a comment below and I will cover that in the next video. That is it for this deep dive on clipping and scheduling. So go ahead and try importing one long video today, because you will be surprised how much low-hanging fruit is hiding in your hour-long recordings. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions you have in the comments section, and I will catch you in the next one.